The following program contains mature subject matter. Viewer discretion is advised.
People don't just show up and do these things. There are red flags.
Yes.
Like, nobody is normal one day and they show up to work. Like, we spoke about a young lady who was set on fire at work. Like, you don't just show up and do that stuff. There are red flags. So, Dr. Judy, like, when is it time to tell somebody? Like, what are some concerning things?
You deal with somebody who's not stable, who has mental issues. How do you sift through that, filter that to know that this person
I need to tell the police.
Can go get an automatic rifle and do some real damage. That's tough.
These are, I mean, you guys are bringing up so many good questions, and I think when we see this, as you mentioned, there are red flags. They don't just show up one day and do this. And so when you see that progression, I think oftentimes you feel like, okay, listen, we see this person, they're making this progression, we've talked to them, they refuse to get treatment, they refuse to stay in treatment. You do have to then take the next step and tell the police, because the police will send a team to evaluate this individual, and if they find that they're gravely disabled or a danger to themselves or others, they do admit them to the hospital for further evaluation and care. And sometimes the way to love somebody is to report them for this and let the police.
If you are suspicious, tell the police.
We need to learn from each and every one of these mass shootings to hopefully prevent more and more of these from occurring.